Hello everyone, welcome back to Insightedge Labs. As we have already started our new series to explore all previously asked questions from Power BI PL-300 certification exam. So after completion of this particular series, you will have that understanding about how they ask question in Power BI PL-300 certification exam, and you will have that confidence about how to solve those questions. Still you have any confusion related to the Power BI or related to the PL-300 certification exam, you can drop your message in the comment section. So let's try to see our next question. To solve this particular question, they have given you the scenario, and in the scenario you have Power BI report with the measure named as total sales. You need to create new measure that returns sum of total sales for year up to selected date. It means that by using this total sales measure, you have to create such a measure that will give you total sales that for the year to date calculation. By using this particular scenario, they have asked you to complete this DAX expression by selecting correct drop down selections. So they have given you this incomplete measure and you have to complete this by selecting correct option from this drop down. For this first drop down, they have given you options, that is nothing but total YTD, then they have given you calculate function, then sum function they have given you, and then they have given you evaluate function that you have to select for the first drop down. Then for the second drop down, you have given date from the date table as a first option, then they have given you amount from the sales table, and for third option they have given you filter, they have applied filter on date from the sales. So these are the options that we have to select to make it complete. But see here, in general, when we apply year to date calculation for the Power BI, that time we have two options or two functions. First one we have dates YTD and second one we have total YTD. Now here you can say when to use dates YTD, whenever you have to apply filter condition inside the calculate function, that time we go and we use dates YTD function. Now here you can see we have option given, that is nothing but calculate function. If I select calculate function in the first drop down, then I should have that option, that is nothing but dates YTD. But here you can see in the second drop down we don't have that option as a dates YTD. It means that the calculate function I can't use. Then I have sum function as an option. So sum, when we use sum, that time when we have to make an aggregation operation or make a sum of any column, that time we use sum. Here we can't use sum because we have to apply filter condition, that is for the year to date. So sum we can't use. Then also similarly we can't use evaluate as well. So our options will be from drop down one we have to select total YTD. Now syntax for the total YTD is it will accept expression first and then it will accept date, because total YTD function comes under time intelligence function and time intelligence function works on the basis of date. So here you can see in the second option drop down we have option as a date from the date table. It means that from first option we'll select total YTD and from second drop down we'll select date from the date table. But before making any selection, I want you to understand it practically. So see here, this is the simple report which we have created as per the scenario. Here we have total sales as a measure which is giving us sum of sales amount from the sales table, and then we have second measure as a YTD sales, that is nothing but it is giving us year till date calculation for the total sales. Here we are using total YTD function, and syntax for the total YTD function, it accept expression first and then it accept date from the date table because it comes under time intelligence function and time intelligence function works on the basis of date column. Now here this is the complete syntax, and now I have drag and drop both measure in this particular visual. Now here you can see when I have drag and drop total sales, it is giving me sales distribution for each date. Now when I have drag and drop YTD sales, it is giving me the cumulative total for the year till date calculation. So as per the scenario, we can use total YTD in the first drop down, and in the second drop down we can use date from the date table. So now here you can see our correct answer will be total YTD for the first drop down, and for the second drop down we'll select date from the date table. I hope you understand this scenario very well. Still you have any confusion, any doubt related to the Power BI or related to the PL-300 certification exam, you can drop your message in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then you can check out other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.